final touch to a Plc-In-Box. There's a few things to fix here. Again, we're refurbishing from a logic controller to a switch controller, and the wiring is a little bit different, so it takes what it takes. So I'm gonna have to set this in wire replacement here. Number one, I need to wire up the common ground and the outputs. So this white needs to be extended to native side of the source, and then the common, which is a white here, I'm going to change that for a red. So a couple of changes in here, okay? So let's start by the beginning, and then we'll be just fine. So I'm going to do this first. I'm placing the white with red so that it complies. So this red is the extension of the power supply that goes to the output common power. So that's going to go to the common power output. Figure that out. A little long, but I'm going to keep it like that. That was the remainder of the cable of my roll. Okay, so that's common power. Okay, so that's common power. I'm going to leave it right there underneath, and then we need the ground for the negative, which is going to go from this side of the power ground, which is this black one right here. Usually this uses black for ground or negative. Do it likewise. So that's going to be our ground. Let's see. So we have common ground, and then we have common power. That's how this guy works. So this common ground is going to go into any of these common grounds that I have on all the power outputs. You can do it anywhere really. I'm going to do it here in the back. It could go anywhere really. So this will do this shining a little bit. You do this job. Maybe the easiest is the first one right here. Perhaps let's give it a shot. So this is the common or common negative, if you will. Pretty good. So you got everything wired properly. And finally, we're going to do a demo. This controller is not perm yet, but we can definitely run a demo of whatever perm comes with the controller. So we've got some excess wire in here that we are going to have to tweak a little bit here, organize real well. And the box is a little bit too small for this project, that's for sure. But this is what we got. If I would do this again, I will use a larger box. Okay. It's going to work, but we definitely need a larger box. That's for sure. I'm trying to accommodate all the wires in here, and they're gonna go in because I had a controller just like this in this box. We can squeeze a little, move things around a little bit, just to make a little bit room. Hopefully we have no shorts, but the box is a little bit too small for this, so that's a learning process. The box, and hopefully no shorts. If we have to do this again, we will definitely use larger box. So I'm going to screw a few screws in here. Now, if you were to rewire this, you have to open up the box, right, to do the rewiring. But for now, I've done a little preliminary testing and I know this is going to work. Assuming we have no short circuits after we assemble. So hopefully that's the case. Alright, we need another screw at least. There should be at least 4 screws. So a little bit too tight. A little bit too tight. And let's do a quick round here. So you know what's going on, so turn that up. I got it plugged in, and I'm gonna power this up. Power comes into the controller, you can see that, and we got something going on here, right? So that's good. This one, for some reason, it's not working. This one's working. This one's working. So this is a 2-position push to make, push to break. That's what you see, 2 lights, input light switching. And again, this is just a random test because there's no program in the controller. Whatever you see is what comes in the controller. So it looks like some logic needs to be made. And this particular one, just like the other ones are acting, should be able to act out. This one is not, so we're gonna have to do a little bit of change here. I know which one that is. So there you go. That's a test. Thank you. Okay, here we go. So there's the controller, a Mitsubishi controller with 8 inputs, and I think it's got 6 outputs, but I only have 4 outputs myself without connected, so it's working. So power off, power on. It's not flowing yet, but it's working. So we're in kind of reverse mode. Everything seems to be working inside. This is a 2-position push button. Programming is the next thing to do, but I just want to show you that the thing is just now performing. Alright, I will improve a lot of things on this back, so the box is too tiny for this controller. But anyhow, I had this back with the hole, so I use it to do whatever I do. Okay, thank you for watching.